Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Debrincat, and I have spent over 25 years in my career helping people with brain and spinal trauma. Through the use of neurofeedback, brain mapping, chiropractic, nutrition, and other modalities, we've been able to help people regain their freedom and their life back. Now, over the last few years, I've been working very deeply with Vox Life products in helping my patients achieve that neurological homeostasis. And so these products have been amazing because we've seen people respond so much quicker to the therapies and the modalities that we've already been using. And to see a patient get a major breakthrough is just such a great experience. And so these products have really helped us achieve those breakthroughs at a much faster rate. Now, recently, I've set out to investigate a new product from Vox Life called NeuroVax, and I wanted to see if it was having an impact in helping achieve physiological homeostasis. So first, let me explain what physiological homeostasis means. Basically, we have certain factors like temperature, blood pressure, pH, immune response, oxygen levels. Whether those things increase or decrease, it causes receptors to send messages to the effectors to correct the problem. That is physiological homeostasis. So one of the ways we can see how well our blood is working is by doing a dark-field live blood cell analysis. This is where we can look at the blood under a microscope and determine how well the blood is functioning. And healthy blood equals healthy physiology. Now, in no way are we using this to diagnose a condition or pathologies. We're simply looking at it to see how well is the blood actually functioning. The blood is not only responsible for bringing oxygen and nutrients to the tissues, but within the blood lies the white blood cells. And these are our first line of defense against invaders and toxins and chemicals. Now, they basically move around throughout the blood, tagging and removing harmful pathogens and toxins. In fact, your life depends on them doing their job and doing it well. For life is in the blood. So a healthy functioning neurology and feedback control to the blood leads to healthy biochemistry, which then leads to a healthy physiology. So we wanted to investigate how NeuroVax was impacting physiological homeostasis. So the best way to do this is by looking at dark field imagery. And what we found was incredible. Within 1 hour of putting the NeuroVax patch on, the blood has already started to show profound changes. So we took the blood again at 12 hours and at 24 hours. So here we see a red blood cell abnormality called rouleaux, or little rolls. It's when the blood becomes sticky and stacks together like a roll of coins. This is a problem because now the blood is not carrying as much oxygen to your brain and to your body. So you can see that within 12 hours, it's already broken apart and functioning more optimally. So here's another example where the blood starts sticky and clumped together and spreads apart and opens up within the first day. Currently, there is nothing I know of that can accomplish this without the use of drugs, chemicals, or electricity. Your neural reflexes and immune responses working together to bring your body back to homeostasis. Now, in no way am I saying discontinue using your medications or your treatments from your physician. Simply put, wearing the NeuroVax will help connect your central nervous system to your immune system, bringing your body back to homeostasis, creating better chemistry and better biology. This is going to allow you and your loved ones to experience a more robust immunity. Now, how does this work? Well, we mentioned brain mapping earlier. So, like all Vox products, we deal with the central nervous system in the brain first, and then create the effect in the body. So look what happens in the brain when we put the NeuroVax patch on. We see our baseline cortex that's overstimulated, and within 1 hour, we see a dramatic change towards normal, and within 12 hours, that cortex is remarkable. In this next image, we're seeing coherence in the brain. This is how well the brain shares information. And we're relating this to two Brodmann areas specifically, number 24 and 25. These are responsible for that brain and gut connection to also a very big part of our immunity. And in this next image, we're seeing the connection between the thalamus, the subthalamus, the hippocampus, and the amygdala. All play a crucial role in dealing with our blood chemistry and our immunity. The less lines means a healthier brain. And so we can see that the Neurovax is helping put the brain back online first. And then what follows is the physiological homeostasis. So wearing the Neurovax improves your neural responses and your immune system interaction. So having better neural interactions equals better chemistry and better biology, thus a stronger and more robust immune system. So users are seeing a better and more functioning blood system, as well as improved physiological homeostasis. So I ask you now, is the world ready for such a thing? You bet it is. Now more than ever, it's crucial that we take care of the health and the immunity of ourselves and our families.